This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to play the missed call intro on guitar. We will begin by identifying the core chords. The intro primarily uses G major, C major, and D major. Focus on placing your fingers accurately for each chord. Then, practice transitioning smoothly between these three shapes. Aim for clean, clear notes as you switch. This foundational step is crucial for building the entire intro. Now, let's tackle the strumming pattern and rhythm. The missed call intro often features a down-down, up-down-up strum. Practice this pattern slowly, ensuring each strum is even and clear. Maintaining a consistent tempo is key to making the intro sound cohesive. Try using a metronome, perhaps starting at 80 or 90 beats per minute, to help solidify your timing. To truly capture the essence of the missed call intro, we need to add some embellishments. Look for any subtle hammer-ons or pull-offs that might be part of the melody line. Also, pay close attention to dynamics. Playing some sections a little softer and others with more emphasis will add depth. Listening to the original recording multiple times will help you identify these crucial details. Finally, consistent practice is your key to mastering the missed call intro. Always start slowly, focusing on accuracy before attempting to increase your speed. If a section feels challenging, break it down into smaller 2 or 3 bar segments. Even 15 minutes of focused practice each day will yield remarkable results. Keep at it, and you will be playing it perfectly in no time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.